OMG, that's pretty. We got our duck eggs. Oh, whoa. There's a little ducky in there. That's so cute. Yay. I ordered duck eggs and it's wrapped up like a gift. Whoa, I bet they sell a lot. Even smells good. This is just so amazing how big these duck eggs are. And clean looking. What more can you ask for? Really? We ordered a dozen. That's a different ribbon. Pretty neat. Another 6 eggs. So I got 6 and another 6. And some nice paper. So nice you can reuse it. Yay, 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 yay. Yeah. Happy mail. Thank you for supporting small business. Bubbles. And more bubbles. Eggs in the mail. Yay. Yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. That's a happy mail. None of them look broken. Our duck eggs in the mail. Cute. It says "Late with love." Actually, the second 6, because I ordered a dozen, the second 6 are actually 8 eggs. They gave us 2 for free. And none of them are broken. So let's unwrap it. Look at how nice that is. What a nice ribbon. And somebody took the time and care to tape it so nicely. Let's get the scissors. Hold on. Wow, I think these people are gonna have a really good business. Oh, they won't have the ducks laying probably enough eggs. Probably will have to get more ducks if they do such a good job. Oh. And wait, I have to show you, hold on. I didn't want to break any. Each egg is individually wrapped. Can you see? Each egg is individually wrapped up in bubble wrap. Oh, I never had that happening before. Let's open them. Oh, that must have taken a lot of time. And then there's a paper towel around it. Oh, look at that. That color, yes, it is not all white. And it's a little brownish. Oh, I bet they taste good. Let's open them all. And then I have another 6, of course. Silly me. I'm not going fast. Just a normal speed. Everybody's going so fast nowadays. But some people still like the ASMR. Eggs, yeah, we got 14 eggs. Pretty clean. Cleaned, they came cleaned. As good as you can get it, just about, really. Perfectly, exactly. Look at that. Oh, look how good it looks. Yay. It's really nice and yellow. Wow, it looks great. Actually, it looks better, more yellow in real life than through the camera. It makes it a bit darker through the filming it. Silly me, but it's true. Let me show you the papers. It says when the duck eggs were laid on November 18th, Isn't that amazing? This is so neat. It says Murphy and C. That's where they come from. From the QuackShack. What a perfect name, the QuackShack. From fresh organic duck eggs. Neat. Oh, I didn't see that earlier. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. It says duck eggs versus chicken eggs. What's the difference? Number 1, duck eggs stay fresher longer due to their thicker shell. Number 2, duck eggs are creamier and richer. People whom have allergies to chicken eggs can generally eat duck eggs. Number 3, duck eggs contain more protein, 9 grams versus 6. Number 4, more omega-3s contribute to heart health and reduce inflammation. Number 5, more vitamin D, which supports bone health and skin as well as mood. Number 6, higher in essential vitamins and minerals like thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, I don't know how you say, pantothenic acid, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin B12, and retinol. Please excuse me if I didn't read it correctly. Number 7, duck egg whites will give you fluffier cakes, taller meringue peaks, and lighter cookies, a baker's favorite secret. Meet our ducks. Follow us on Etsy, the QuackShack Gifts, and on Facebook at the QuackShack. I'm just doing a product review for some great duck eggs. It says right here, why eat duck eggs? Fresh, unwashed eggs still contain their natural plume and can stay unrefrigerated for several weeks or 2 to 3 months refrigerated. Duck eggs contain nearly an entire day's worth of vitamin B12, which is needed for healthy nerve function. Duck egg yolks get their orange-yellow color from natural pigments called carotenoids. I don't know how to say to this word. These are antioxidant compounds that may protect your cells against cataracts, heart disease, and some types of cancer. The yolk is also rich in lecithin and choline. It is a vitamin-like nutrient that's essential for healthy cell membranes, as well as your brain, neurotransmitters, and nervous system, especially important for brain health and better brain function. That is exactly what I need. The egg whites, rich in proteins, and may also protect you from infections. The whites have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Thank you for watching another product review from me today. Till next time, I hope till soon. Goodbye.